everybody, I'm Brittany and I've just received my night-night, the sleeping bag with feet. I ordered it for my little guy, the 4 to 5 year size, in the 1 tall warmth grade. So that means it's light enough for spring to keep my little guy warm at night, so we can sleep all night. So that's exciting. Oh, it's so pretty. So you can see this is how it comes when we open it. It's adorable. Okay, so let's open it. It comes with a nice little tag and a book. We love to read every night with our little guys, so our package comes with this adorable little book that tells the story of a little guy to get him excited about his new sleep bag. Let's see. Oh, it's so cute. I love the color. And it's so soft. Let's see. Oh, hang on. Here we have something else. Okay. An information sheet. I saw some of this online, but I'm glad they sent it for me, showing me how it should fit my little guy with his little feet just poking out at the end, about the weight and what should fit, which size is good for him, and then what he should wear underneath depending on the temperature in our house. So he's not too hot, not too cold. We want to be safe, of course. So I'll slide that back in here. Okay, and then, all right, let's see what we have. My little guy is so picky about softness of things. So the jersey on the inside is really soft, so I'm so glad for that. And we have a top to bottom zipper, so that way he's not tempted to just zip out of it at night. It'll be a little bit more difficult, which is good for my mischievous little guy. And then we also have the integrated socks. So if we are chilly before bed, we can just slip it right over and not lose all of our socks in the night like we usually do. And then, yes, here on the side, you can see there's more stretchiness and softness so that he's not bound up or uncomfortable while he's sleeping, because my little guy moves all around while he sleeps. So here you go. You can see the length, which at first I thought, wow, that's big, but it's supposed to be a little bit long. It's supposed to be wide here so that it feels more like a blanket. They're not feeling bound or constricted, but just cozy like they would under a blanket. And the weight is light and soft, kind of like the duvet covers we would use anyway, but always end up on the floor. This won't, so I'm thrilled and I can't wait to give it a go. Bye!